I am absolutely horrible with emojis. I mean, I know they're like meant to show context, and I use emojis. Usually, I just use the laughing one all the time. And it's like, I
You
mean, I
shouldn't
feel like people think I'm
emoji.
joking when I'm serious sometimes. So I'll make a joke, but like I only use the laughing one most of the time. I'm trying to like learn how to use emojis more effectively when texting.
What kind of emoji? There's a lot of laughing emojis out there.
There's a lot. There's like there was one where it was like a shocked one. No, I had thought it was a shocked one. It was like the one with the eyes like wide open, and I'm like, I look like that often, and I'm like, I'm gonna use this emoji a lot because